Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamecia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for subscribing. Today I'm going to talk to you about a hack that I used this weekend to make me feel like I was doing something to continue on with my intermittent fasting journey, but I was also kind of satisfying something that I felt like I needed. Probably didn't, but felt like I did. Anyway, if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamecia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And this weekend, guys, I really was just wanting to, first of all, this week I am eating pescatarianly. I'm eating my protein, my meats are only fish. So every now and again, what I'll do like a week of something. So this week is going to be, or has been, pescatarian. And I was just, I was just kind of craving it. So I had some sushi, which had, rice, the roll and whatever, which is a lot of carbs. And then I had some shrimp, which was a little bit breaded and it was carbs. And then I had some bread dipped in olive oil. And so I had quite a bit of carbs. And I knew that was really not the best thing, but I was like, I'm going to, because that's what I'm just living. I'm living, but I also know how the body responds. And as you get older, you have to have hacks. You have to do certain things. I feel like I have to have hacks. Let me just say from my point of view, I don't want to tell you that you have to. I have to. That's what I do. Okay. So anyway, the hack that I used this time, and I talk about it a lot. I didn't use like my magic drink or whatever, but I did use apple cider vinegar. And I found like I was drinking it throughout the day. And I think I had I had a 32 ounce tumbler filled with ice water with just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar that I just sipped on throughout the day. And even though I didn't open my window until like 2, I closed my window late, like at 7, which is what I don't normally do that. But throughout the day, I just sipped on apple cider vinegar water just throughout the day. And I might have had like 3 of those tumblers throughout the day of apple cider vinegar and water. And I know that what happens with apple cider vinegar is that, according to the literature, and there's not a lot of literature, there's not a lot of research on it out there, but according to the limited literature and my experience with apple cider vinegar, is that what happens is it slows down the absorption of the carbohydrates in your system, and it also kind of it stops insulin from spiking. It decreases the spike of insulin, and we all know that when insulin spikes, then we're no longer burning our internal fat. And of course, and by even by the fact that I'm eating, it just kind of slows down the absorption. It keeps me full, keeps me fuller and stuff like that. And so I use that as a hack. And I just thought I'd come on here and tell you guys about that, because I'm not trying to say that I have all the answers. I'm just telling you kind of like what I do that works for me. And I'll tell you guys what happens is the scale, because I step on the scale. A lot of people say don't. I do. I feel like it's an accountability tool. And so I jump on the scale and I kind of see, what's going on. But I know that it doesn't really show up until like 48 hours or so after you've done the bad thing that you've done. And so I'll see how many pounds, or if I gained any, or if I did fine on tomorrow. So this happened on Saturday. I'll know on Monday if, it helped, if it did anything, if I just threw myself into whatever. But I also exercise, you know, I also get movement in. I'm not telling you to go out here and run a million miles, but you do need to, you know, have some movement. So I did 3 miles today. I don't think I did anything yesterday. Did I do anything yesterday? I might have did something yesterday. I don't know, but I'm pretty steady on that. But anyway, that's all that I wanted to tell you guys. I wanted to give you guys some real world stuff that happened. So I had the sushi, I had the shrimp, I had some salad. It was kind of carb heavy. Some cranberry juice I had. And some grapes. I had some grapes, which I normally don't do, but I've been craving grapes for whatever reason. So I'm having them. I'm enjoying them. But anyway, I did increase my apple cider vinegar. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. And I'll keep you guys updated. All right. So yeah. See you guys later. Bye.